Welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. Today, we will show you how to register for self-assessment online if you're self-employed. It only takes a few minutes to do this. It's also free, secure, and saves having to print any forms. So, let's get started. First, here's a quick reminder about self-assessment. You'll need to register for self-assessment and pay tax on any earnings over £1,000 that haven't been taxed already. You are self-employed if you work for yourself as an individual or as a solo business. If you're self-employed, you may have people working for you, but you are the person responsible for the business and any losses. This might mean you sell goods and services. Or you could be a freelancer, contractor, consultant, seasonal worker, a coach, content creator, you name it. The important bit is that however you earn money, if it's over £1,000 and isn't taxed at source, you'll need to register for self-assessment and complete a tax return. And if you want to, you can register as self-employed even if your income is £1,000 or less, then you can pay voluntary Class 2 national insurance, or record any loss. To use HMRC online services, you need a government gateway account. If you've already got one, have your user ID and password ready. If not, don't worry, you'll just need to create your sign-in details. It's easy to do this. Go to gov.uk, search Sign into your HMRC business tax account and follow the link. You'll see an option to create sign-in details. Doing this is quick and then you're ready to go. Now you'll need to sign in using a business tax account. Select to get online access to a tax duty or scheme. Choose the self-assessment option from this list. HMRC will then ask if you have a self-assessment unique taxpayer reference, known as a UTR. You're registering for the first time, so just select No, and then Continue. Now select Individual or Sole Trader to describe yourself. Then Yes to being self-employed. Tick the Self-Assessment box, then choose Next. Here, select the first option as your business type. Next, enter the date you started working for yourself. Then, make sure you've got your national insurance number and contact details ready for this next bit. You'll see a checklist of the sections you need to fill in. If you want our expert accountants to complete, view or amend your registration on your behalf, you can set up a delegate using the link on the right. HMRC will carry on without doing this, but the process is easy to follow if you want to set this up. Enter your personal details. And once you've filled everything in, select Next. It'll take you back to the registration summary. HMRC will now need more information about you and your business. So, choose Next to add your contact details in About You. Select Next when you've filled out this section, and you'll see a summary of your personal details. Check this information. If you spot something that isn't correct, just change it here. And once you're ready, select Next. Now tell HMRC some details about your business. And confirm if your business address is the same as your home address. If the address is different, you can select this in the drop-down and enter it. Now tell HMRC your business contact details, including your business email address. HMRC needs this so they can send you a receipt of your registration. Check everything is correct on this summary page. There's a link under each section if you need to change anything. It's simpler if you leave this last box unticked. That way, HMRC can set up and activate the self-assessment online service for your business. And once you're happy with the details, just select Next. Check you've filled out every section. You should see a tick for each section. If there's a cross next to anything, just go back into that section and fill out anything that's missing. Then select Next. You'll need to read this information and tick the box to confirm everything is correct. Now you're all done. This acknowledgement confirms you've submitted your registration. It has some important information and links, so do read it carefully. For example, if you work as a subcontractor in the construction industry, you'll need to register for this separately. It's a good idea to screenshot this page or take a photo of it. You'll get a unique taxpayer reference in the post within 15 days, or 21 days if you're abroad. You can find it sooner by logging into your online account, or in the HMRC app. Keep this safe. Your UTR is like your national insurance number, it stays with you for life. And you'll need it every time you deal with your self-assessment. Your reference number also shows that you've registered for self-assessment, so there's no need to call HMRC to confirm it. You need to register to pay tax as a self-employed person by the 5th of October in the tax year that's after the one when you became self-employed. So make sure you give yourself enough time. Remember to submit your tax return and pay any tax you owe by the 31st of January or even earlier if you can. For more information, search self-assessment on gov.uk. Need personalised assistance? Reach out to our team of expert accountants today at 01217714161 for a complimentary consultation. Don't miss out on the latest financial news and valuable tips. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon now.